Want to pay online with PayPal but don't have a credit card? No worries, you can still shop and send money without one. In this quick guide, I'll show you how to link a bank account instead. It's simple, free, and works just as well. So, let's get started. First, open your PayPal app or go to the PayPal website. Click on Wallet in the main menu. Instead of linking a credit card, choose to link a bank account. You can connect a real or virtual bank account. Many services let you open one for free. Once linked, your PayPal account can use that bank balance to send payments or make purchases online. No credit card needed, just easy, direct access to your bank funds. And that's it. That's how to pay with PayPal without credit card or bank account. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.